Okay, here's a quick video on how to restore the courses from my Physics 12 Moodle class. So what I have is a local copy of Moodle running on my computer, so it's not the server that I have the courses running on, so there's no files on here right now. I have already restored the villains course just to show that it could be done, but I'm going to go through and restore the agents course. So here's the two courses that I have. That when you purchase this and download it, you get these two backup files. So on your copy of Moodle, on your Moodle server, you're going to be logged in as the admin user, which is important. So you're logged in as the admin user, and on the admin menu is the restore, and we're going to drag and drop, or you can choose the file. I'm going to this time restore my agents course, so I'm just going to put that over here and click on restore. And give it a while. Okay, as you can see, there's a bunch of steps here. So confirmation of what you're doing, you got to choose the destination. There's really nothing to do here. Just click next through everything. So you want to restore all of the sections of the course. Basically, you could choose to not install a certain section, but for now we're going to include everything. You need to choose a destination, so however you set your Moodle server up, if you want to put it in a location called physics or courses or whatever. So I'm just going to put it in as a new course in the miscellaneous. Click continue. Again, on the settings, just click with the default settings. And just keep clicking next through all of these sections. Review, yes, perform restore. And then it takes it a few minutes to run through this part. Actually, it seems to be going a lot faster now. So there we go. The course has been successfully restored, and clicking continue takes you to the course. And here we are. So we're in the agents course, and everything should be working. So if I open up the game overview, yeah, so the videos themselves are not included in the download. These are just embedded audio file or embedded video files on a page. So they're pulling the videos from YouTube. And everything else should just be there ready to go. Alright, hopefully that helps you figure out how to do it.